Hey, this is Jim from Goldhand Drawings. Welcome back. Today I'll be reviewing Lamy LX fountain pen. Lamy LX is a higher version of Lamy All-Star, which is the higher version of Lamy Safari. And Lamy Safari is the one that's the most popular fountain pen that the Lamy produces. So there's Safari, which is made out of ABS plastic, and there's All-Star, which is made out of aluminum. And last, there's LX, which is also made out of aluminum but coated in scratch resistance material called anodizing. I searched it on the internet and they said this anodizing aluminum has twice the scratch resistance than non-anodized aluminum. So if you're going to get one workhorse but you want something a little bit more than just Safari, I recommend you jump the All-Star and just go for this LX. But sadly, they only come in 5 colors right now. The Palladium and Rose Gold, Maroon, Ruthenium, and Yellow Gold. I got the Yellow Gold. So now let's review the pen with Safari a little bit more closer. First, the packaging. It's obvious, this looks way more cooler and durable than this. So if you buy Safari, you usually get it like this in a cardboard. And LX, you get it like this. So the packaging, it looks pretty cool, pretty enough to give it to somebody as a present. And if you open it, it's like this. I think you can use this as a fountain pen case, but I think you can put only one because they have this rubber fins to protect the pen from hitting the case. Let's see if my other fountain pen goes in. Okay, so Montblanc 146 or Pelikan M600 goes in, but only one pen can go in. Okay, so enough talking about the packaging. Let's see the pen. Okay, so the main difference, I think, is the size. Safari is slightly taller and thinner. LX has more bulky feeling to it. Cap is also bigger. Barrel is also bigger. The clip I think is same size, but LX is a little bit more easier to put your finger here, so it's a little bit more easier to, put it in your pocket, I think, than the Safari. So the rubber in the middle is also bigger. I can say most of the features are slightly bigger than the Safari. There's this line in the Safari cap, but the LX doesn't. Okay, so Safari is 10 gram. So it's heavier than Safari. And the nib, they say it's coated in PVD, which they say is about like 10 times durable than the regular steel nib. Let's do some testing. So the nibs with coatings on are usually scratchier than without the coated ones, but I think this LX is pretty smooth. I mean, it still has some feedbacks, but not as much as I expected. Yeah, the normal nib is definitely scratchier. Yeah, the nibs on the LX is much smoother. So the line variation, not so much. I mean, it's obvious because this is also a steel nib. So the reverse writing, not so good. The line variation is pretty similar to the Safari. The reverse on this one, yeah, they both are not that good on reverse. So overall, like I said earlier, you want one good workhorse fountain pen, but you want something a little bit more than the Safari. I think this LX is a pretty good choice. Also, the packaging is pretty decent enough for gift, so I think LX is not that bad. But the it's a little bit bulkier than the Safari, so keep that in mind. The price, I think it was about like $50. Some place was like $60, but I would say double the Safari price. But for me, I would just choose 2 Safaris, I think. But that's just only my preference. I mean, the LX is also super good, so overall it's recommendable. But for me, I will just buy 2 Safaris. And sometimes in like Amazon, they do like go for like crazy sale, so sometimes it drops to like $20, $25. If it's that price, I think I'll choose the LX. Yeah, I think the nib on the LX is less scratchier than the one in the Safari. Okay, so this is it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye-bye.